Yeah, that's a lot of mud.
I can't see it. Oh.
Let's see how slimy it is, eh? All right, let's glove up.
Hey, can I have mine, please?
Please. Slow down a bit. Art is ruined. Got it. Understood. You ruined the art. Throw it away. Okay. Gloves?
Yes.
David, gloves? Never mind. You might need to adjust your
Okay.
gears.
We need to start turning shortly.
David, go down to the lowest you can do. Do it now.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to join you now.
Okay.
Lori, you go too, but I'm not going all the way.
Yeah. I broke myself. Got it.
Okay.
I went all the way by accident. Can you stay up? Somebody ring a
I don't know. Probably go where it's less muddy, but you know what? Do it. Send it, buddy. Okay.
He doesn't want us to go. Should we ignore him?
Listen to the Rantmeister.
I don't know who that is.
I don't know who that is. All the volunteers are everywhere. Elbow, Lori. Elbow. Elbow.
What?
Elbow.
He said heavy left.
I think we'll make it.
I'm not down yet. Should I be down?
Go down. I'm sending us in. I got the prop.
We need to turn better. Can we turn better?
He's got it. He's got it.
We're suspending ace rules until you get past the mud.
We don't need to worry about that.
We're hitting. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up. Bring it up.